What is up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing Montech's X1 glass panel RGB fan case. Now what's cool about this case is it only costs $55 around there on Amazon, and you're able to get it shipped to your house within a couple of days. And this might be really good for flipping PCs because you could get the flashy white RGB case at a very small cost. And one more thing before we get into this video, if you guys would like to check it out, I'll have an affiliate link down below if you guys would like to help support this channel. Anyways, let's get into the review. Alright, so that's enough talking. Let's unbox this thing and see if it actually has the RGB fans or not. There is indeed a case in here. That's always nice that they actually shipped me what I ordered. Now let's take it out. Okay, so as you guys could see there, they had some foam on the sides to help protect it, and then a sheet of plastic which looks like a plastic bag or like a trash bag. And then they have some plastic that basically just looks like a trash bag. Hopefully that's no indicator that this is trash. Alright, so on the bottom we have some rubber feet that are unscrewable. We have a little dust filter and then nothing too special. Some screws here, I guess, to mount like the little bracket in there. And then on the back we have a pretty standard deal. We have a fan in here, which is cool. I do see 4 fans, so maybe they're telling the truth. So the back looks like a normal PC case. I don't think I have to explain what each and every part is. Hopefully you guys already know that if you're watching this video. Alright, so they do have a tempered glass panel, and let's peel that plastic off. But to be honest, like, it looks really good besides their giant Montech logo right there, but there's a thing called spray paint that should be able to fix that because it's a little gaudy, especially with the white case. So this case can fit ATX builds or the micro ATX, whatever you end up doing. This is a mid-tower case, so whatever you're doing, most likely this is gonna fit, unless if you crazy or trying to go for a tiny build. The top also has a dust filter, but it's one of the magnetic ones, so whenever you go to hold it, it kind of slips around, so don't hold it by the top. On the edge here, we have basically the standard switches. We have a power switch reset, a USB 3.0 on the top, and then some jacks for your audio. I will say the front of this case is really cool. It kind of has that design that Fractal went for recently, where they have a weird geometric design on the front, and it actually looks really cool in white, and then with the RGB coming through, I think that's going to be really nice. Alright, so I got them unscrewed. Now I'm going to carefully take that off, and there's more plastic on the inside, so let's see if we could get a better pull. That was much better. That was really nice. So on the inside here, we have the USB 3 cable, and then we have all the headers. These are just the USBs for the USBs up front, and then your standard power reset, all those switches that go to the front. It is wired pretty convenient right there. You're able to kind of hide things in this panel, and all the footage showing you what I'm talking about. So we do have 2 spots right here for SSDs. If you guys aren't doing the M.2, then there's also a hard drive area down below and another SSD slot. Let's take a look at the back side. Alright, so these are on really tight and they're plastic, so you have to be careful not to break them. Alright, so it does come with some accessories. It looks like a few more standoffs, and then just like the screws for your SSD and then the motherboard. Under here, this was the bracket that I was talking about. Then you're able to see that all these fans appear to be powered by Molex. So one bummer about Molex versus like an actual fan header is that I'm pretty sure your fans are going to be running at top speed all the time because it doesn't have that 4th pin in there to actually change the speed and let you control it. So you kind of get what you pay for. At least you're going to be getting the RGB fan, so it may be a little louder than you would like, but still you're getting a pretty cool case. So this is Montech's case. That's only like 55 bucks. If you guys are doing PC flipping, this is definitely a case to be checking out. And of course, if you guys want to check this out, I'll have a link down below. So if you guys want to actually check it out or buy it, make sure you purchase it through that link. It helps this channel out and doesn't cost you any more. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next review.